Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Humera Ma'am Physics. Today we are discussing photodiode part 2. In this, what is the relation between the reverse current of a photodiode and the intensity of illumination? Okay. Now see, the total current passing through a photodiode is the sum of the photocurrent and the dark current. फोटोडायोड में जो टोटल करंट होता है वो फोटो करंट और डार्क करंट होता है. फिगर शोज द ग्राफिकल रिलेशन बिटवीन द रिवर्स करंट ऑफ अ फोटोडायोड and the intensity of illumination incident on the photodiode. Okay, now see, on x-axis light intensity in milliwatt per centimeter, on y-axis I suffix r in microampere, that is the device current, photodiode current, and I suffix d is also in microampere, which is dark current when light is not incident on the photodiode. The sensitivity of the device can be increased by minimizing the dark current. Okay, from the curve, reverse current increases initially with increase in the intensity of illumination. It reaches a constant value after certain voltage is reached. This constant value is called the saturation current of the photodiode, and it is denoted by symbol I suffix S, that is the saturation current. V suffix R is reverse voltage, which is also constant. Okay, this is about the relation between the reverse current and intensity of illumination. One more term is also associated with a photodiode is dark resistance. It is the resistance of a photodiode when it is not illuminated. Dark resistance of a photodiode is defined as the ratio of the maximum reverse voltage and its dark current, capital R suffix D, is equals to maximum reverse voltage divided by dark current. Okay, now see advantages of photodiode. Advantages can be asked at the exam, board exam, for 2 marks. See advantages of photodiode. Number 1, क्विक रिस्पॉन्स व्हेन एक्सपोज टू लाइट. जैसे हम लाइट इंसिडेंट करते हैं वहां से हमको रिवर्स सैचुरेशन करंट मिलता है. नंबर 2, लीनियर रिस्पॉन्स. इट मीन्स दैट द रिवर्स करंट इज लीनियरली प्रोपोर्शनल टू इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इंसिडेंट लाइट. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड एडवांटेज, हाई स्पीड ऑफ ऑपरेशन, यानी कि स्पीड क्या होती है, वेरी फास्ट. नाउ द फोर्थ, लाइट वेट एंड कॉम्पैक्ट साइज. लाइट वेट और कॉम्पैक्ट साइज की वजह से इजीली पोर्टेबल है. ओके, नाउ द फिफ्थ एडवांटेज ऑफ फोटोडायोड, वाइड स्पेक्ट्रल रिस्पॉन्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, photodiodes made from silicon respond to radiation of wavelength from 190 nanometer, that is ultraviolet, to 1100 nanometer, that is infrared. Now the sixth advantage, relatively low cost. Okay, these are the advantages. Now disadvantages of photodiode. There are 2 disadvantages are given in the textbook. Now number 1, its properties are temperature dependent, similar to many other semiconductor devices. Okay, तो photodiode semiconductor होने की वजह से it is also temperature dependent. Number 2, low reverse current for low illumination levels. ठीक है, so these are the 2 disadvantages of photodiode. Now see applications of photodiode. So there are 8 applications are given in your textbook. First application, photodiode is used in counters and switches. ठीक है, काउंटर और स्विचेस में हम फोटोडायोड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इट इज यूज इन बर्गलर अलार्म सिस्टम्स. ओके, दिस इज द सेकेंड एप्लीकेशन. नाउ द थर्ड, डिटेक्शन ऑफ विजिबल एंड इनविजिबल रेडिएशंस. विजिबल और इनविजिबल रेडिएशंस को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए भी फोटोडायोड का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. फोर्थ, इट इज यूज्ड इन सर्किट्स इन विच फास्ट स्विचिंग एंड हाई स्पीड ऑपरेशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड. And the fifth, it is used in fiber optic communication system. These are the applications of photodiode. Now see the sixth application of photodiode. It is used in Sixth application, it is used in optocouplers used to provide an electric isolation between two electronic circuits. Now the seventh application, photosensors or detectors for accurate measurement of light intensity. Okay, now the eighth application, safety electronics like fire and smoke detectors. Okay, so these are the applications of photodiode. For principal construction and working, see photodiode part first. Link is given in the description. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video.